Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix low FPS. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services app. Now scroll down and locate Game Input Service. Double-click it. First, click on Stop to stop the service. Once the service is stopped, change the startup type to Disabled. Now click Apply, and then click OK. Now locate Game Input Redis Service. Double-click it. Again, click on Stop. Set the startup type to Disabled, click Apply, and then click OK. Now launch Forza Horizon 6 again and check if the FPS and stuttering issue is fixed. Solution 2. Use a wired controller connection. If the issue still isn't fixed, try using your controller with a wired connection instead of Bluetooth. First, click on the network icon in your taskbar. Turn Bluetooth off. Now connect your controller directly to your PC using a USB cable. Once connected, launch Forza Horizon 6 again. This should help reduce stuttering and improve FPS performance. Final step. Test the game again and check if the stuttering and low FPS issue is gone. Your controller should now work smoothly without causing FPS drops or stuttering in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.